it has hurt the image of India for sure, brand India for sure, especially from the House of Tata, which has always had a very pious kind of corporate image. Clearly, it has dented not just the Tata's brand, but also brand India.
It will give for the future a great change in the corporate structure, because this is one of the examples where the new change will happen after this thing has taken place. Now these things are good for the future for all the corporate companies. He has been doing a great job, and so has Ratan Tata has been doing a great job. So both have been playing an important role. You see, otherwise the Tata with a great name, you see, wouldn't survive.
It's somebody who has been a chairman, was handpicked over a period of time, and generally in organization, even at a normal level, these issues are dealt very sensitively, and the abruptness of the whole thing has probably impacted not the group itself, but generally the image of the Indian corporate world.
It's very difficult to comment. It's our highly respected corporate house is there, and all corporates are expecting to follow them, but they should not set such the situation. So that's our feelings.
I think there seems to be a disagreement between a principal shareholder and the management. And those disputes do occur in other businesses and indeed other situations around the world. When they occur, they need to be resolved as quickly as possible.
I think that's seen correctly as an internal issue for one organization, admittedly one very large and prominent organization with a very active engagement in the UK, but one organization. And I think at the end of the day, what happens in the holding company boardroom is quite far removed from what's happening on the ground, which is much more the preserve of the operating companies.
Well, I don't think that it has hurt the image of corporate India. It is something that is on between them. There has to be a valid reason why it is going on. And it happens. It's not the first time that you've had boardroom battles. I think we should just watch and wait and see what is going to happen. The outcome will be good.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.